Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Yamaha MT09. This Street Fighter Sport Triple just arrived with only 5,600 miles. ABS brakes, fuel injected, liquid cooled. Super cool machine, very low miles. Come on by and make this high performance 950 make your dreams come true. This bike's priced to sell at just $79.99. It's not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.